In primetime news this evening,
Jamaica today confirmed its first imported case of coronavirus disease 2019.
how does the COVID-19 in Jamaica impact impending elections? And how do Jamaicans feel about the COVID-19 confirmed case?
I don't really like it. I notice I get up and all these things.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, scores of Jamaicans have been flocking supermarkets since they heard about the imported case of COVID-19. Well, retailers are being warned to keep the prices stable, and I'll have more on that in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we'll go to Spencer for what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, a lot has been happening because of COVID-19. A travel ban has been placed on Jamaican-based athletes intended to travel to this year's Penn Relays, and a decision on the staging of champs will be made in 24 hours. We'll have all the details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the first case of the COVID-19 coronavirus in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.